Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define FI tolerance groups for users. So basically define amount limit for financial accounting users to specify upper limits for posting transactions for each user and permissible payment differences. So here we will define tolerance group for users. So we will go through the SAP path here, SAP IMG, then financial accounting global settings here, then document, then tolerance groups, and here click on define tolerance groups for employees. I'll be selecting one and I'll be click on the copy as icon, change the company code here, then click on copy here and press save. Now you can see your tolerance groups for user has been created. So by this way you can create FI tolerance groups for users. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.